In this video, we will give you a quick overview of the website and basic navigation. Most of the features can be accessed right here on the home page, including examples of industries our meters have been utilized in, a breakdown of how our meters work, a catalog of our different meters, information on how we customize our products, a featured video, customer testimonials, as well as links to our contact page, YouTube channel, and the latest news on AW Lake. For direct links to the different features of the site, you will want to use the drop-down menu at the top of the page. This menu will direct you to our products where you can pre-filter selections, industries we have serviced, an About Us section, a Download section where you can access different documents like data sheets and manuals, as well as a Support section and contact options. If you click on the products, you can see all the different meters and technologies offered by AW Lake. On the left-hand side, you can filter our different products based on product lines, industries, fluids, accuracy ranges, EX ratings, as well as outputs. Clicking on a product will take you to that product page where you can access more information on that specific product, including specifications, videos, and current real-world applications. Under the Industries section, you can see some of the different industries our flow measurement systems are being utilized in. Here you can see examples of practical experiences, application stories, and products related to that specific industry. The About Us section will provide information on our leadership and team, our goals and values as a company, contact information, and press releases. Clicking on Downloads brings you to the Document Center, where you can access documentation on our products. From here, you can filter between document types, products, and industries. You can either view these different documents or download PDF versions of them. The Support section will give you information on product configuration, field services, calibration specifications, the RMA request form, and a part number cross-reference section. The Contact section offers 3 forms for requesting quotes, assistance with your application, as well as a basic Contact Us form for general inquiries. At AW Lake, we pride ourselves on our customer service, so when you fill out one of these forms, you can rest assured you will get a response from a member of our team within 24 hours. Check back for more tutorials on navigating our website and see how AW Lake makes flow measurement easy.